Hello kids, today we are going to learn animal sound. This is cat. Cats are amazing hunters that spend 70% of their life sleeping and can make over 100 different sounds, and that's amazing. This is dog. Dogs are known as man's best friends because they are incredibly loyal and can understand over 150 human words. Wow, 150 human words. This is horse. Horses are incredibly fast animals that can sleep both standing up and lying down. Wow, that's amazing. And that's a fun fact about horses. This is cow. Cows are very social animals that have best friends and can produce up to 40 cups of milk every single day. Wow. This is lion. The lion is known as the king of jungle because its mighty roar can be heard from up to 8 kilometers away. This is monkey. Monkeys are super smart animals that use their long tails as a fifth hand to swing to trees and even peel bananas. This is snake. Snakes don't have ears or eyelids, and they actually smell with their tongues to find their way around. This is dolphin. Dolphins are super smart swimmers that talk to each other using unique whistles and even sleep with one eye open. Wow, interesting fact about dolphins. This is frog. Frogs don't drink water like we do. They actually absorb it through their skin to stay hydrated. I hope kids you loved the video. We will meet soon with another beautiful video of animals. Till then, take care. Bye bye.